Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to flush your DNS cache. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmake it. So first of all, open search box and type here cmd. So open command prompt, run as administrator and type here. So type here ipconfig /flushdns, then hit enter. And here you can see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmake it. Thanks for watching this video.